Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the MLAG peer and the lag for Arista switches. So this is switch number 1, this is booting up is switch number 2. So let's do it. It's very simple, nothing complicated, to be honest. It's like VPC for Cisco. So admin enable configuration terminal host name sw1. So let me see this one. Well, we'll start anyway. We need to set up this part. So at this point, in both of switch, you have to digit the same command. So interface ATH1 and 2, this one. So channel group 10, for example, mode active. Then you're doing interface port channel 10, switch port mode trunk, and that's all. Exit, and we are going to set VLAN 4094, and we are going to say trunk group MLAG peer and interface port channel 10. This is the configuration for 3 switches. Maximum you can set on the lag, the MLAG 4 switches. Keep in mind this one. Switch port trunk group MLAG peer, and exit no spamming 3 for VLAN 4094. Now we are going to set the IP for this interface. So interface 40 for this VLAN 4094, interface VLAN 4094. So IP address 192.168.100. For example 1/24. Well, of course you can make it more smaller, the subnet, but for this, in this case, is fine. So at this point we are going to say exit MLAG local interface VLAN 4094. Then peer address 192.168.100.2, because it will be the switch 2. You have to build the peering. So peer link port channel 10, domain crazynet. The same things have to be done as well for switch number 2. Then apparently you keep a bit to boot up. Let me see. Let me see. I don't know. Will take usually. Well, Arista switches are quite slow to boot up, to be honest. But this one maybe is too much. So let's just wait. So admin. Yeah, no, I know. It's very slow. I don't know why. And zero touch. Okay, and the real switch, when you boot up Arista, start to search for the DHCP server for a zero touch configuration. So if you want stop, just you need to type zero touch cancel. Admin why so slow? Enable configuration host name SW2. I don't know why it takes so long, but that's okay then. So even as we did before, the same things. So I'm just going to copy this one, the commands here. So interface 1 and 2, channel group 10, port channel 10, switch port mode trunk. Okay, this is for zero touch. Exit, then VLAN, take a bit. I think I take too much, but that's okay then. MLAG peer. Interface port channel 10, switch port trunk group MLAG peer, and valid input Y. One second. Zero touch. Cancel. Probably we're rebooting. If it's rebooting the switch, yeah. So I will put just and pause the video and we're back. Okay then. The switches. The switcher just complete the boot up. The booting, and for saving time I just copy the configuration of switch 1 and just copy and paste here on switch 2 just for to be, you know, more faster. Okie dokie, let's see. In the meantime is doing this one. Let me check. Let me check. Okay, let's see from switch 1, well, even from switch 2, up to you, and then show MLAG. Let's see what they say. It say MLAG status inactive. So negotiation status connecting peer up and up, but this one it's inactive. Let's see. Exit. Show MLAG. Maybe it take a bit to go up because I think the configuration is fine. Let's see. Just give a second. What do you say here? Is zero peer close, blah blah blah. No. Let me see show run because it's true I copy and paste the configuration, but let me check one thing. Dot 2. I think it's fine this one. Let's see the configuration. So show run even here. So domain crazynet is fine. Local interface VLAN 4094 peer address 100.2 and dot 1, that is good. Channel port 10, channel port 10. Let's see. Interface VLAN 100.1, interface VLAN 100.2. That is fine. Channel port mode trunk, switch port MLAG peer, that is fine. Active and active, active and active. No spamming tree, no spamming tree. So I think it's fine. Show MLAG connect active. Okay, take a bit. So MLAG status active, negotiation is connected, up, and this is good. Now, what we need to do in both our switches is configure interface Ethernet 3 here and here. So, interface ATH3, channel group 3, mode active, interface port channel 3, MLAG 3. So same things you have to do here. So copy and paste this one, interface here, and interface here. Right. So at this point we need to do the configuration even for switch number 3. So open switch number 3. Switch number 3, and switch number 3 are interface ATH1 and 2, yeah, and the same things. So channel group 3, mode active, and interface port channel 3, MLAG 3, show MLAG, show port channel active and port 1 and 2, that is fine. Let's see, give me this command. Okay, is shove leg pipe grip active, 0. I think I take a bit. Show them leg interfaces. Oops, sorry. Okay, complete the command. Interfaces, details. Okay, 3, port channel 3. Let me do this because maybe interface port channel 3, switch port mode trunk. Let's see if now he like more. Just a moment, just wait, because It take a bit, I think, to be honest. Let's wait and let's see if it works. Otherwise, sure, let me wait just a moment. Show run. Let's see. Ok, allora, what do you say here? Okay, interface 3, we don't really care, but anyways, 40G, no switch port, channel group 3, mode active, that is good. Port 1 and port 2, channel group 3, that is good as well. Okay, and port channel 3, mode trunk, that is good to me. Shove. That it's right, that is no problem, but let me see why it's not coming up. Okay, I checked the configuration and I found my was no mistake, just missing. Here on port 3 and port here on the other switch, and obviously on the port channel, I forgot to type switch port mode trunk. So now the port trunk look good because it's up. I set during my check troubleshooting, I set the SVI interface, so this is IP1, IP2, IP3, so I can ping 192.168.10.3 from the switch, of course, ping 192.168.10.3 from the other switch as well. And let me see, show interface port channel 3, and let me check. Okay, is up, it seems everything fine. And that's all, basically. This is how to set the port channel and the MLAG peering and lag. So the link aggregation group and the MLAG peering for the Arista. Very similar as Cisco Nexus. So of course, if you want use the real one, so in the real environment, here I'm missing 2 SFP for the uplink. So basically, as you know, you need to put to connect another SFP here, then it's going to the core, for example. So for now is everything. If you like this video, give me one like. If you have any comment, please don't be shy, send me a comment. Thank you.